Hey guys, we are back. We are back with another video, another quick video, commercial video, $15.99. Yes, like the thumbnail said, take advantage of our $15.99 transfers. Our 22 by 24 sheets went from $19.99 down to $15.99. We dropped the price for Juneteenth. The sale ends tomorrow. The sale ends Wednesday, but we want to extend the sale, so we might extend it another week, but it's up to you guys. If you guys jump on there and show us that you like the new price, then we will extend it another week, or maybe we will extend it to the end of the month. But go on there right now, go on to my page, go on to Flash Custom Transfers, go on to flashcustomtransfers.com. If you have any questions, order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Please email us. If you call us and leave a voicemail, it takes very hard for us to get back to it because we are always moving around. We're back and forth at the studio. At our new store, which we're building a studio. So we're renovating our new store. We're also back and forth to the warehouse. And then we're also running around because we have our children for the summer. So please email. If you need to get in contact with us and you have a question about our $15.99 sheets, if you have a question about our stickers, if you have a question about our sublimation sheets, which are just $14.99, please, please, please email if you have any questions. Now, if you don't have any questions and you already know how to purchase and you already know about DTF, that stands for direct to film, go on over to our website. Right now, we have the cheapest sheets on the internet, the cheapest sheets really in the world. $15.99, they were $19.99, but now they're $15.99, 22 by 24. That's a big sheet. Let me show you. Right here, guys, right here. This right here is a 22 by 24 gang sheet. As you see, we have different colors on here. You can gang out your sheet for only $15.99. Look. Right here, I actually cut it out to make this shirt for this video, to make this hoodie for this video, I cut it out. But this is the size sheet that you get. Not a 16 by 11 little small gang sheet. No, you get a big gang sheet for $15.99. So we dropped our price from $19.99 down to $15.99 so that you guys can take full advantage of those wholesale prices and you guys can maximize your sheet. 10 logos fit. You put the logo back, 10 logos fit. That means I can make 10 shirts, 10 hoodies, 10 bags fit on just one $15.99 sheet. You gotta take advantage of the sale, guys. Take advantage of the sale. The more you guys buy, the longer the sale will last. So if you guys don't purchase, then we're gonna have to cut back the sale. But if you guys purchase, we will continue the sale and we wanna make it permanent. And then after that, if we get to $15.99 and we're able to make $15.99 permanent, because you guys are taking advantage and you know what's coming next, that is the free shipping. But just stay tuned because we're still trying to work on that. But guys, yes, go ahead and take advantage of the $15.99 gang sheets. This is huge. Put this up to the screen. This thing right here is huge. This is very big. This is a big gang sheet. This is a true gang sheet, guys. So take advantage of the gang sheet. I don't know if that messed up my green screen. You guys see I'm trying to do something cool for you guys, for the customers. So I'm trying to do something cool. I'm trying to be different. Flash Custom Transfers, guys. Flash Custom Transfers. Remember, if you have any questions, I know we have a phone number and stuff like that, but we are not always home as we are renovating our store. Now that the people are out, we are going to renovate it to make a Flash Custom Transfers hub so you guys can pick up your prints for free and order in person. We are expanding our business. We're expanding our business. So we apologize for all the people who we haven't been able to call back, but email. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Go right now, get our $15.99 sheets, guys. Go right now, take advantage of the dope discount. Take advantage, get your sheets right now, $15.99, so that we can keep that price permanent. You guys know my slogan, be basic, peace.